You know, these windows are having to be replaced, and there's a lot of questions on how do you pick a window company. Well, one of the things I love about the window company we use, America's Choice Windows, they don't just knock the glass out. They actually remove the glass, then they compress the frame into the opening and take it out that way. When you just break the glass out, you've got broken glass all over the place. No matter how careful they are, there's going to be leftover glass. So what they do is they actually use a torch to heat up the seals. That softens it where they can take the panel out, and then like you can see over here, they're able to just start removing everything. And it just makes it a quick, easy way to take out the windows. Now, do all window companies do this? No. That's why you got to ask the right questions when you're looking at hiring a window company. My choice is America's Choice. For more videos and tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to thipro.com.